Champion! Pitch bike! Ayan guys! Champion! Ayan! Let's go! So maraming salamat sa mentor natin na si Uncle. Uncle, hindi ko magagawa to kung hindi dahil sa mga turo mo, sa mga turo ni Uncle Guko, Uncle Brainerd, sa mga lahat ng mga pitch bike guys. Ayan. Pitch bike, nandyan yan. Nandyan yan, naka-spotlight yan kasi grabe yung respeto natin sa pitch bike guys. Ayan.
They said champion champion cigarillo sa mentol para malamig sulod sa intestine. You di po tabaw linte. Buwan tanan. No, just only joke. Champion because hard work, that's very important. Passion, love. The passion is the powers. The love your job or that you're doing, and of course your skill, your capacity. Together, three of them, nobody can bet you. If I have a helicopter, I do contra governo sa helicopter.
So ayan guys.
Sige.
Napaka-supportive ng tatay natin. Let's go! More trophies to come! Power! Pitch bike! Naka-spotlight yan! We love yung pitch bike. Number one, legit na paras pitch bike. As in, ginawa ko na lahat ng test. Anlipiga, lahat talagang gusto talaga. More experiment to come. Matik yan. Importante pogi tayo. Yun, no?
Pero ako reklamo. He said, siya pogi. Hindi. Ako pogi. He come from my lagay.
What the color of your lagay?
Never mind.
What the color? Let them know.
I'm both same old, never mind.
Your color white?
Coloring.
So yun guys, i-try nyo ito.